Alright, so this is what I'm putting in the avocado. I have cilantro. I already have the onions. I'm just going to do a little bit of rotel. A little bit of seasoning. A little bit of sazon. A little bit of ranch. I feel like I'm missing something else. Alright, so here is the inside of the avocado. And I believe you need to get, basically you're doing the inside. So I'm just going to make sure I get the inside of the avocado. Get the inside out. So you can see this is the inside. You want to get that goodness. And I'm not making a lot of avocado. So, yeah. Alright, welcome back. So, I'm about to make some fresh guacamole for the first time. So, I have my avocado. I have my fresh lime. I have some onions. I have some cilantro. I'm going to use a little bit of rotel or diced. Some sazon. Some taco seasoning. And I have ranch. So here we go. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. Yeah, this was a... Next time I'm going to wait until let my avocado soften because I just picked up the avocado from the store, but it doesn't taste too bad. But next time I'm gonna let the avocado soften, get a little bit softened. So on here is cilantro, rotel, onions. I put a little bit of cream cheese, season it. Not too bad. Not too bad. Alright, so I tried the guacamole again. I have one more avocado. Now this one, it has cilantro, rotel. This looks a little bit better, and it's not as hard as the other one. So I'll probably try it again. Fresh everything.